Alright guys, we got John here setting things up, and of course we've got the CG balanced, or at least balanced as much as we can get.
Don't forget the crescent wrench down
Crescent
there.
wrench, wire cutters, the LiPo 4200 upside down there of course, and John's brand new toy.
New to me, newsed. It's a newsed SU-35 Freewing.
We're about to see what this thing can do.
It felt weird. Yep. Just trying to get used to all the different switches and stuff on this one. Alright, I'm just going to taxi out there and rail on it. So.
Do it. Hold on to your hat, people. Yeah.
Short on the power though, man. You saw that thing.
Yeah.
Off.
Well, you just punched it and boom, it was up.
I gave it some juice, it was gone.
Oh my goodness. Compete with that pilot, Robert. Captain Blas.
That's how we roll up here. The PNW.
That's right.
Yeah, that's not bad. 3 minutes, 36%. I wasn't laying on it very hard, but...
Dang. Those LiPo packs are not bad though.
They're good packs. I'll put my 6,000 in there and then we'll get some good flight times.
Oh yeah.
Okay, well, should we hot lap it?
There you go.
Just throw the other one in there and get after it.
There you go, dude.
Now I know what it feels like.
Like, comment, and subscribe to check out the next flight.